Last video on the channel, we built a Crokinole board. This video, I'm going to show one method for how to hang that Crokinole board and store it on your wall. Let's run through the materials you're going to need for this project real quick. So you're going to need one threaded 5/16 brass insert, a couple of drywall screws, these hooks that you can find on Amazon, this small black latch you can find on Amazon, this small wood turning leg with a 5/16 threaded end sticking out of it, and lastly, some scrap wood. I know that was fast. Links in the description below for all of these. Overall, the cost of these at the time was about $20. The first thing I did was I held up the board to the location that I wanted it on the wall, made sure that it was centered, looked good, and then I took a pencil and ran that along the bottom so I would know where the bottom edge of the board was going to be so I could line up the hooks on the bottom. At this point in time, I made sure that I had a center point, and then I measured exactly 6 inches away from it on that line that I had marked, so that when I put the two hooks up, they would be the exact same distance away from that center line. Once I had that location in place, I could put those hooks in place and mark out where the holes needed to be.
Loud noise.
At that point, I can go ahead and drill where those drywall anchors need to go.
Hello?
Then you tap in your drywall anchors real quick. Once those drywall anchors are in, you can go ahead and screw in these hooks. Now these hooks will do a great job of holding the board in place, and it's not coming down, but just to be safe, let's go ahead and work on a latch on the top to make sure that gravity can't take this thing down. Now let's start with a piece of scrap wood that we're going to go ahead and mark and cut. Using a 3/8 bit in the center of that scrap wood, we're going to go ahead and drill a hole for that threaded insert. Then thread in that threaded insert. So something that I didn't show here is that I drilled a couple of holes as well, 2 different sizes for the drywall anchors that's going to hold this block in place. Here's that block screwed into the wall, and then we can just thread in that turning piece from earlier. Last step is to screw in that latch from earlier that will swing down and will stop gravity from pulling the Crokinole board off the wall. So there it is, a quick and fairly easy way to hang your Crokinole board. Thanks for watching the video today.